And another one, it's my favorite one. You come up here, you put this band around the neck, right in here, and you pull this so up. And you start choke this client if he's not paying you a good tip. If he's asshole, he teach you how. I'm sorry, this is different class. I'm substitute to the different class. Yeah, don't do that one. But if the client does not tip you or teach you how to do your massage and tell you like, oh, the massage was previous was better than you, or you do some weird stuff, trust me, do that one, the last one, okay? But if client is great and he's appreciate your work, never do that one. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow and sign up with our class. We're going to do this in November, the manual therapy class. We're going to show a lot of cool stuff. Have a good day. Bye-bye.